Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to recover your Exodus wallet account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to recover your Exodus wallet account, all you need to do is simply tap open the app itself. So once you have tapped open the app, you need to tap on already have a wallet option. Then you need to tap on restart, and after you do this, you need to now type in your restore wallet phrases which you had from your previous account. So once you have typed in 12 phrases, you need to hit the arrow which is turned forward, and once you do this, you will have your previous wallet completely recovered as the 12 secret phrases has been typed in by you. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.